Hello friends, so finally a very important updates coming forward for the all WBJE 2023 candidates. Okay, so finally WBJE board have released the online registration and choice filling form. Okay, so in this video I will talk about in detail how to do the choice filling, how to do the online registration on all important things. Okay, so in this video I will give you complete detail about the choice filling. Besides that, I will also tell you some important tips and tricks that will be helpful for you in getting good college. Okay, so guys, first of all, I am sorry for uploading this video a little bit late because guys basically I was in college, that's why I could not upload that. Okay, but I think that abhi zyada late nahi hua. Okay, so let me start the video guys. Okay, so first of all friends, you have to go to the official website of WBJE, that is wbje.nic.in, and simply you have to click here, that is the online registration and choice filling. Okay, so friends, since we are the fresh candidates, so simply you have to give the simply you have to click here the new candidate registration. Okay, so when you will click on the new candidate registration, then they are the detail that they have mentioned that you should have a valid WBJE rank or JEE main rank. Okay, so yeah, I have read all that things, and simply they have said that yeah, you must have create a password and it is your responsibility to protect your password. Simply you have to click here the I agree button. Okay, so after that guys, this is the important section that you should note. Okay, so if you are the candidates who have enrolled in both JEE main and WBJE, then you can participate in both. Okay, that is the type of registration you have to select here, both WBJE and JEE main seats. Okay, so remember guys, 90% सीट्स आपका यहाँ पर कंसिडर किया जाएगा. ओके, एंड ऑब्वियसली भाई आपका चांस भी थोड़ा इंक्रीज होगा. ओके, बट इफ यू आर द WBJE कैंडिडेट्स ओनली, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक हियर WBJE सीट्स, एंड इफ यू आर JEE main कैंडिडेट्स ओनली, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ओवर ओनली JEE main सीट्स. ओके, तो कौन सा सीट के लिए आप चाह रहे हैं, यू हैव टू क्लिक अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. So since this candidates is appeared in WBJE, that's why I have just click here WBJE seats only. Okay, after that you have to give here WBJE roll number, candidate name, mother name, date of birth and security pin. Okay, so after giving the detail, I am showing you the next step guys. Okay, so friends, after giving all the details, simply you have to click here, that is submit. Okay, and remember guys, you have to basically फिर से एक बार वेरीफाई कर ले कि WBJE roll number are fine or not. Okay, candidates name are fine or not, and all important things. Okay, so because guys these details are very important. Okay, and according to that you will basically finally judge. Okay, और basically आपका seats according to this all important things होगा. Okay, कोई भी गड़बड़ हुआ then you may face problem during the seat allotment or other important things. Okay, so be careful and verifying all that things. Okay, so I have verified, just click here submit button. So friends, after that you have to basically give the mobile number and email address. Okay, and after that you have to create a password. Okay, so after giving the mobile number and email address, okay, I am showing you the next step. Friends, after giving all the details, simply you have to click here submit and next, and just you have to click, do you wish to submit? Yeah, I want to submit. So just I have click here. Okay, then guys OTP will be sent to your mobile number and email. Okay, so you have to basically give the OTP and security pin. So after giving the OTP, I am showing you the next step. So friends, after giving all that detail, a new window will appear. Okay, and simply here you can clearly be like there is a view registration form, fill application form, fill qualification detail, fill contact detail, preview and final submit. Okay, so these are the things that you should do. Okay, and first of all guys, I will fill the application form. Just click here the fill application form. Okay, so when you will click on the fill application form, then a new window will appear, and simply you have to give the gender, nationality, state of domicile, category, and bank account holder and account detail. Okay, so these are the details that you have to give, and you have to basically give a कैंसल चेक या पासबुक और स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ ऑनलाइन अकाउंट डिटेल. ओके, सो ये सब आप डिटेल ध्यान से दे, बिकॉज योर रिफंड विल बी गिवन टू दिस बैंक अकाउंट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू गिव ऑल द डिटेल वेरी केयरफुली. ओके, सो आफ्टर गिविंग ऑल द डिटेल, आई एम शोइंग यू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. So friends, after giving all the details, simply you have to click here, that is the save and next button. Okay, so I have click here and save and next. Okay, so friends, after that a new window will appear where you have to give the class 10th detail, class 12th detail, and after that you have to give the complete detail about the physics, chemistry, mathematics, English or other subject. Okay, such as किसी का अगर biology या biotechnology रहा, then you have to give all the detail. Okay, या फिर computer science, computer application, these are the things that you should do. If not applicable, then simply आपको click करना होगा not applicable. Okay, so after giving all the detail, okay, I am showing you the next step. Okay, so remember you have to give all the detail very carefully. So friends, after that a new window will appear where you have to give the basically qualification detail of class 10 equivalent English detail, class 12th equivalent details, and after that you have to give the subject semester wise mark detail and all important things. Okay, and remember extra subject हो physics, chemistry, math, English तो आपको देना है. Besides that, so you have to give the extra such as biology अगर है जिनका biotechnology, so you have to give biology, biotechnology. Otherwise computer science, computer application या not applicable, you can give. Okay, so after giving all the detail, I am showing you the next step guys. Okay, So friends, after giving all the detail, you have to basically fill up the contact detail where you have to give the corresponding address. Okay, means आपको address fill up करना है about your premises number, village name और locality city, country, state, district, pin code. Okay, and basically अगर आपका same है local address as well as permanent address, you have to simply click here that is the same as corresponding address. Okay, so first of all, after means filling this detail, I am giving you the next step. Okay friends, after giving all the details, simply you have to click here save and next. Okay, so do you wish to save? Yeah, I want to save. After that new window will appear. Okay, where आपको preview and final submit button will be shown. Okay, जहाँ पर आपने जो भी डिटेल फिलअप किया according to that they will show. Okay, so you have to basically verify all that things. Okay, आपका यहाँ पर GMR दिखेगा, PMR दिखेगा, पर्सनल डिसरेडी, अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. ओके, इंग्लिश में पास्ट है या नहीं, सब ऑल डिटेल जो इन्होंने आप फिल किया, ऑल दैट थिंग्स will show here. Okay, so simply you have to click here that I have here declare all that things and I have verified the things. Okay, so simply you have to click here this part, and after that you have to click on save and final submit. Okay, so after doing that I am showing you the next step. So after clicking on save and final submit, yeah, I want to save and final submit. So after that basically final submission will be done. Okay, and there will be a choice. Okay, available choice will shown here, field choice and field choice. Okay, so these are the detail I have already provided how to do the choice filling, all important things. Okay, so आप उस तरह से choice filling कर सकते हैं. Okay, and एक proper video अगर possible हो तो I will also provide that how to do the choice filling, all important things. Okay, so first of all you have to do the registration fee. Okay, आपको registration fee payment करना होगा. After that you have to basically fill up the choices. Okay, so these are the basically the available choice they have. Okay, and according to your rank. Okay, various important college will shown. Okay, so आप देख सकते हैं Academy of Technology other important college are showing. Okay, so suppose you want to add the Academy of Technology. Okay, so if you want to take Academy of Technology, simply you have to click Academy of Technology. Okay, अगर आपको 45% मार्क्स नहीं है then these choice will not show to you. Okay, so remember to these all important things. So I hope guys you are all out regarding this is clear किस तरह से choice filling करना and all important things. Okay, if you are facing any issue then feel free to ask here. I will provide help to you. Okay, further. I hope informative to you. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Okay, जय हिंद.